heat energy. Therefore, what is the use of this coolant? They may ask you what is nuclear fuel. What is the fuel? Fuel is what? Uranium 238 or 235, whatever it is. Uranium 235 or uranium 239. Right? Sorry, uranium 235 and plutonium 239. They are called fuel elements. What are moderators? Moderators slows down the neutron. This is CET. Fuel, CET. What is that? Control rods. It reduces the control rods is what? Reduce the rate of the or speed of the reaction, and it absorbs neutron or slows down. Coolant is what? Extract. What are coolant? Coolant is extract heat from the nuclear reactor. Protective shield is what? For a lead, it protect all gamma radiations and all. This is therefore control reactor and control reactions and all. What is fusion? Fusion is what? When light hydrogen plus hydrogen forms helium. Right? When proton and proton, it's called proton cycle. When proton, right, two protons, right here also two protons, form here one helium. See, actually these are very, very complicated reactions. Here what happened? One proton plus one proton gives deuterium, and deuterium plus one proton gives helium. Remember this way. Therefore, this is called fusion. So proton means you have to write like this. One proton plus one proton. That means 2 gives what? 1 deuterium. Deuterium is 2 and 1. Plus 1 electron it comes. Right? Then again what? This deuterium react with 1 proton gives helium like this. Again this helium, that means different type. This is the isotope of helium. Right? Two types of helium becomes ordinary helium. Like that it comes to that. Don't bother about the reactions and all that. When light nuclei join together form a heavy nucleus. Hydrogen plus hydrogen forms helium, and hydrogen plus carbon forms nitrogen, and carbon plus hydrogen forms oxygen. Like that, light nuclei form heavier nucleus. This is called fusion. What is a fusion? Explain fusion if they ask you. You have to write this. Fusion is the one when two hydrogens, see, this is called deuterium. When two or more light nuclei forms helium, right? This is helium with lot of energy. This is called fusion. Therefore, 4 hydrogen forms helium. This is another type of reaction. Plus 2 electrons are emitted, plus same amount of energy. There are 2 deuterium joined together helium, or 4 hydrogen form helium. When 4 hydrogen form, 2 electrons comes out, same amount of it. This type of nucleus called thermonuclear reaction. This type of reaction is called thermonuclear reactions. Again, these are all entrance exams. Then what is this? This is called nuclear fusion. And where for this, in order to have the fusion, you need very, very high temperature. This temperature will happen only in sun, center of sun. Therefore, what they will do, no? If you want hydrogen bomb, nobody has prepared. If you want to prepare the hydrogen bomb, in atom bomb, hydrogen bomb, they'll put. In atom bomb, when atom bomb blasts, lot of heat is liberated. That will trigger fusion. Right? Fission trigger fusion. Therefore, this hydrogen bomb is not possible to prepare in the laboratory. Right? Therefore, this is the general things about this one. Next, fission and fusion, you have to remember. Tabular column, fission and fusion. It is possible within the lab, it is not possible in the lab. It takes place in ordinary room temperature, it does not take place. Fusion, fission. Here heavy nucleus forms light nucleus by breaking. Right here, light nucleus form and heavy nucleus. This is called thermonuclear reactions. Here, if it is controlled, it is nuclear reactor. Uncontrolled, it is atom bomb. Energy release is less only. Energy release is more here. Here energy released per fission is less. But if you take equal mass, no? If you take equal mass of hydrogen and uranium, this is 1,000 times more energy you'll get it. Hydrogen. Uranium is less. Fusion is the principle of atom bomb. Fusion is the principle of hydrogen bomb. This and all this. Next, I will take the class for radioactivity. Okay. Today, this just go through that. Definitely 1 mark. You may get it. You'll be getting in both NEET exam as CET and 2 mark you're going to get in final exam. Because out of 6 mark in the chapter, 2 mark for this type of things and derivation of NT is equal to N naught e to power of this 4 mark they'll ask you, right? Radioactivity. Therefore, 6 mark questions will appear in this chapter. Okay. Problem they may not ask you, but derivation they'll ask you. Therefore, in the derivation central portion they'll ask half life and all that, half life, mean life and all that. Okay. Just go through this. Thank you.